about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Beipu Township in Hsinchu County is home to a famous national monument, Icrt Temple. This celebrated edifice symbolizes a spirit of cooperation during Taiwan's tumultuous history. In a time of limited resources, different ethnic groups often fought with each other. However, Icrt Temple combined the worship of many local gods, helping to bring competing groups together. As well as a pantheon of gods, visitors today can experience a plethora of snack food, including delicious lei cha and Hakka bantiao.
Yo, it's time to talk about Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.Hello,
大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。Hello，
你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And the weather is great. It's summertime. It's time to go outdoors and visit certain Hakka townships and whatnot.
好啊。今天我們要帶大家去新竹縣的北埔鄉。
啊，要去新竹縣了 ，right? That's 新竹 County. 哪一個鄉？
北埔鄉。
北埔。
對。
這還蠻有名的耶。
很有名。
Okay, this is a township that is very well known. Is known as 北埔。北埔好像很多廟啊。
超噶，
对不对？
对，我们今天要带大家去的就是一个国定的3级古迹，叫做慈田宫。
Oh, is that right? 国定的3级古迹。Okay, so this is actually a famous national monument in Beipu Township, and it's called what?
慈田宫。
慈田宫
就是慈天宫。
慈天是在指哪一个神明吗？还是？
其实它有很多个神明，那主要呢有3个神明。
哦，3个，哪3个呢？
观音娘，
观音，
对
，OK，
观世音菩萨，妈祖婆，
妈祖 ，OK，
再来一个就是三国王
啊 ，We've talked about this too， 三国王嘛，
对，
这个就跟客家文化很有渊源，
超噶
，Right， so there are 3 deities that are actually being worshipped in this temple known as 慈天宫 ，and there are the 观音 ，there's the 妈祖 ，and then 三国王 ，which is the 三king，and that one is very attached to the Hakka culture。那除了拜这3个这个神明之外呢，我相信这附近一定有什么伴手礼啊，或者是美食可以享用。
超好，买电炉，
要买什么电炉啊？
电炉就是伴手礼啦。
哦，伴手礼。Denlu, okay, that actually sounds like electricity, but it really means souvenirs and gifts that you can buy. 包括什么？
吃饼，
柿饼，
对
，persimmon cakes, OK， 还有呢？
还有泡菜
啊，这一定要的，客家美食里面的福菜嘛。
对
，OK，
另外一个就是菜谱，
这个就菜谱。
对
，Okay, so a lot of food items you can buy. The persimmon cake is one, the mustard green is another one, and the marinated turnip bits, that's another one. Okay, that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么泰嘎？
俺是谁？张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.